Well, I think the one final motovlog setup test that I need to do is interstate speeds. Interstate speeds generally are never going to be good for motovlogging, but there is the few times when you might just need to pull something out of your butt, or you know, you're on a trip and you want to give an update to where you are or what's going on. Hey, something like that. Maybe we're just going to turn this into an Instagram reel, or hey, you know what, better yet, YouTube is gonna be doing 3-minute shorts here after a while. I mean, come on, give me a break. 3-minute shorts, that's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Why not just make a 3-minute regular video? Because that 3 minutes would actually go towards your watch time if you're trying to get monetized. If you're trying to get monetized and you're doing 3-minute shorts, that watch time doesn't go to your watch time. It goes to your shorts, views, and watch time, which is, who cares? Shorts don't pay crap for stinking revenue anyway. So you might as well make that 3-minute video a regular video. Or you know what? Double dip. Take your 3-minute video, make it a regular video, and make it a short as well. Because, hey, you know, we can do these things. Alright, so how's the audio sounding? How much voice isolation in Final Cut Pro am I going to have to use? And how many state troopers are sitting in this turnoff over here? Oh, none today. Usually there's at least one. So I'm just taking this down to the next exit here. And up around this corner here, there's another area where, you know, the Polizei like to hang out. They're not there today, so good. Now, do I bother passing these people in the middle lanes, or do I just hop over into the right lane and take my exit? Yeah, we'll go past here. Oh yeah, safe flight. My man was sleeping in that car. Laid back, with his mind on his money and his money on his mind. For sure. So obviously this is just a nothing rambling video, and that's it. We'll see you later.